Today I am installing VLAND taillights on my Lexus IS 350. It's a nice cool fall day here in central Pennsylvania. The clouds are looking nice. The wind is blowing pretty hard. And just like that, we are here. Got the Fiesta ST, the Escalade. Starbucks. Shout out to myself. All right, so here the lights are. This is the box they came in. I already opened it. Here's the reveal. That's pretty much what you get. You have the insides and everything's LED, and then you have the outsides. So that's how they look. Just kind of gives it a newer style Lexus look. All right, so you can do Phillips, or I think it's a 10mm. That'll take that off, and then you just pop these clips off, and then you can take this whole carpet off, and it'll reveal the light behind here. And I'm thinking it's probably going to take 10mm as well, so we'll see. So once you take the clips off, you can reveal behind the carpet to get to the light, and this takes a 10mm, just as I thought. Toyota, Lexus, and pretty much any Japanese cars are known for the 10mm. You just want to pull on the taillight. I just kind of went like this and, you know, wiggled it out, and it comes out. There's a clip here, and then there's the connections here, which we need to unplug, but you can see the taillight is off on the side. All right, so I pushed a little clip. This came out. This is actually what's on the VLANs now that will just plug and play. And there it is, the side is off. We'll repeat this for the other side, and then we'll go on to the trunk lid. It's ready to take out. So now that we have the two sides out, we're gonna get the trunk portion out. I just kind of do this, probably not the right way, but let's get a pliers of some sort. So once you get all these clips off, you'll be able to reveal the taillights here, and we'll see how those get removed. So the two bolts for the taillight on the trunk lid are just right here on the side, kind of right on the side of it, and pretty much you only have to take the one clip off, and you can access the bulb area, and up in here there's a bolt you'll have to take off, and then the whole thing should come off. These are pretty unique because they're like little caps. It's pretty interesting. Put them in a safe location, don't lose them. Look who decided to show up. He's just going in circles. This is the third nut you have to take off. So then you just gotta disconnect that, and the taillight should come out. So I got the clip disconnected. This was a little tough. I had to remove some more clips and the carpeting. But there's the OEM connection, and there's the lights connection. So now that this is loose, it should just come right up. There's like a really stubborn clip that holds the wiring in.
Last thing I need is a water bottle, so look at this.
Just using some glass cleaner and a microfiber to just clean off some of the dust that's accumulated over the 11 years that these have probably been on. So we got the new taillight. Gonna take the plastic off and feed this through here. I'm just lightly tapping. All right, so that one's on, and we'll repeat the process for the other side and then get the trunk one going. So we just got this one on, pretty much put it in, put the three nuts on, and connected it right there. I'm gonna do the same to the other side and then show the reveal. And just like that, the lights are on. See how they look? They look really good. of like stick out from the body line. It's pretty cool. So that's how they look. Reverse, nice and white. Alright, drop a comment. What do you think of these compared to the stock ones? Do they look better? Worse? Do you like how they stick out? I think they look pretty cool. So the install wasn't that hard, but really these pretty much line up better than the stock ones. Like the lines are straight. There's no crazy gap. So the taillights are on. I think they look really good. Joined by my brother with his ISF. He actually just put the stock box back on with a Canon air filter, so it has a little bit more power. Feels like it should now without the cone intake. Now we're gonna wash our cars and get them all clean because it's mine's pretty dusty. My brother's gonna drive my car and just see the difference from his, and I'm gonna drive the ISF. Okay, so that's how it looks when the brake lights come on. Man, my car looks good. What'd you think? Feels good. And shout out to CR Automotive Detailing for getting the car all clean with the new taillights on. Cars are all clean. ISF shiny, IS350 shiny. I know wind noise in this video is going to be terrible, but just kind of want to do a walk around with the car clean. There's the taillights. Car's looking good. I did get some Lexus RX 330 18-inch wheels for the winter wheels. So those will be coming soon. I'll probably do a video on that. So the new taillights are on, as you saw. Shout out to my friend Matt for helping me install and lending me his driveway and time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to see more Lexus videos in the future. Follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring. I have a lot of updates there. I have some pictures of the lights if you'd like to see those. And as always, thanks for watching Marty Motoring, where we're not afraid to leave a little rubber on the road.